What's up guys, hope you're having a lovely day. This is one of my favourite little redstone builds. It's the AFK Fish Farm. I use it a lot in 1.12, but testing on the snapshot it also works lovely for 1.13. Now, it's one of those things that's really useful early game because you can get some really powerful enchanted books. Now let's just show you how it works to start with. This is really cheap to build and really simple as well. So you see the hitbox just there, you want to aim just below it, then you just simply right click with your fishing rod and just leave it running along there, keeping the right click button held down all the time, and quick as you can, you catch something. So there you go, we just caught ourselves a raw cod. Now ideally, unless you're wanting it for food, you would want an enchanted book, a bow, or there's some really good fishing rods you can get. This is what you're aiming for. You're wanting the Look at C3, Lure 3 with mending on. Now you'll be very lucky if you get all three together, but with an anvil you can simply hammer them together and AFK all night if you want to. Storage is mainly the issue then, so you can just daisy chain lots of chests together with hoppers if you want. But anyway, let's get started on what to build it. Now, you don't need many resources. This is pretty much everything you need to get started, so let's build it and see how it's done. We'll pop the fishing rod away for later, pop that there, and there we go. Now it's really small as well, this build. You can build it on a 5x3 area and it doesn't take much time at all. Then you can just decorate it however you like. So, 2 on either side, a nice stone slab on either side there, and you want to go 3 high on this side. 2, 3, then 2, 3. Now, we put our chests down just to the side, and hopper going into them. So you simply shift click to get it to go into the chest, and shift click again, and it'll place it so that it goes around. Now, we put a stone pressure plate just on there, and that stops the water from flowing out, and there we are. We'll put a block behind and another one, and then we put our trapdoor on top. Now make sure you aim it to the side guys, just so that it opens sideways, otherwise it won't work. Now we come around the back here, we put another block. You can of course remove that if you wish, it's not needed, and our note block on the top. Now, if you wanted to make a sound, you would just leave it like that. If you want to have it silenced though, simply put another pressure plate on the top. Or you can put carpet or whatever you like really. Slabs, all works, and that quietens it down so it doesn't make an annoying sound anymore. Rightio, so next we'll just pop these away into our inventory since we don't need them anymore. And we'll get our string and our tripwire hook. So, you put your tripwire there and there, pop some string on it, which you just, whoop, did that work? Nope, put it in the wrong place there. So you aim onto the hitbox and click, there we go. Now we can put our water in. Just shift and place the water into the hopper and it's all nicely self-contained there. Now we need to activate that trapdoor, don't we? So, we come round this way. Whoops, where are we? So, anyway, put a block down this way and one up there. And then we just pop redstone there and one further down. And that way, that trapdoor will pop up whenever you trip the tripwire. As demonstrated, see? Nicely done. And that's it. All done. Simple as that. Just to demonstrate, we'll get our fishing rod and just stand here, again avoid the hitbox, aim just between and right click with your fishing rod. And off we go. Lots of different ways that you can AFK overnight with this. You can either get a programmable keyboard, you can tape your mouse button down, or if you use an Xbox controller with this, simply tape that down as well, whichever you prefer. And we got something really quickly, and we got a pufferfish. Yay. But that's a really simple fish farm. You can decorate it however you want and make it look pretty. But that's all for now. I hope you liked this and found it useful. It's one of my favourite builds and it's really handy. So, speak to you later guys, and hope you enjoyed this. Take care and have fun.